Hey everyone, welcome back to Chart Challenger. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite tools for MetaTrader 5, something I personally use every day. It's a custom watchlist indicator, and honestly, it's been a game changer for me. This indicator is perfect for traders who need to keep track of multiple symbols at the same time. Let me quickly show you how it works. To add a chart, just click the Add button and the current chart gets saved into your watch list. For example, here I'll drag Euro USD onto the chart, click Add again, and now it's in the list. You can also switch time frames and save those as separate entries. Let's add another symbol to test it out. Now, when I click on any item in the watch list, that chart instantly opens. There are also some really useful icons built in. If you click the pin icon, it highlights the symbol. Perfect for when you're watching a setup forming and you want to pay extra attention. Once you enter a trade, you can click it again to turn it into a check mark, so you always know which symbols you're currently trading. And here's the best part, you can do this for every item in your list. There's also a save button to save your watch list and a load button to reopen it later. What's really cool is that you can even load the same watch list across different MetaTrader installations on your system. I'll leave the download link for this indicator right below the video, so make sure to check it out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tools and tutorials.